Welcome back, everyone. Let's jump right into Module 8 of our 10-module tutorial. Today, we're focusing on something absolutely vital for every non-technical employee out there: organizational policies and compliance frameworks. If you're looking to create safer, more secure, highly effective, and much lower-cost AI prompts, you are in the exact right place. We're going to look closely at how your daily AI usage must align with formal corporate rulebooks to protect both you and the business as a whole.
Now, as a quick reminder, this comprehensive 10-module tutorial was developed by Virtualization Options LLC. They're a Colorado-based technology research, education, and advisory organization, and they designed this specifically to guide our enterprise AI literacy. The overarching goal of this entire program is simple, but it's incredibly powerful. We want to empower you, the business professional, to get precise, high-quality results from generative AI, all while fully protecting sensitive information and keeping those underlying token costs under strict control. So here's our roadmap for this module. First, we'll look beyond individual AI responsibility. Then we'll explore enterprise AI governance frameworks, navigate some complex regulatory laws, and finally align our AI usage with overarching business goals.
All right, Part 1, Beyond Individual AI Responsibility. We are taking the macro view here.
Up to this point, we focused heavily on individual prompt security. Things like pausing to double-check if your prompt contains sensitive data, intellectual property, or financial records before you hit send. And yes, that personal diligence is completely foundational. But moving forward, we have to acknowledge a broader reality. That individual caution, it really has to operate securely under the broad protective umbrella of comprehensive AI governance. Basically, without this macro-level systemic enterprise safety net in place, micro-level caution just isn't enough to secure a modern organization.
Moving right along to Part 2, Enterprise AI Governance Frameworks. This is the corporate mandate. Think about it. When a medium to large enterprise decides to deploy generative AI across all of its departments, the sheer volume of data being processed scales up exponentially. In that kind of environment, unregulated or just ad hoc usage creates, frankly, unacceptable risks. We're talking everything from massive data breaches to severe compliance violations. Organizations absolutely must establish clear policies, procedures, and oversight mechanisms. And this isn't just a friendly HR suggestion, right? It's a corporate mandate. This formal structure is literally an absolute requirement for doing business securely today.
So how do we make that corporate mandate actionable for you every single day? Well, our governance framework is broken down into 3 core pillars. First, we rely on clear policies. These are the written corporate rules defining exactly what data is and isn't allowed in a prompt. Next up, standardized procedures. These are the repeatable step-by-step methods you follow to ensure consistency and cost efficiency. And finally, everything is backed by strict oversight mechanisms. These are the auditing and monitoring systems that guarantee those rules are actually being followed. Together, these 3 pillars dictate exactly how you safely interact with AI tools in your daily workflow.
That brings us to Part 3, Navigating Complex Regulatory Laws. Let's talk about external protections.
The legal landscape around artificial intelligence and data privacy is rapidly changing right before our eyes. Dozens of U.S. states have already enacted or are right in the middle of enacting really strict privacy laws. This means the rules governing what data you can safely input into a generative AI prompt aren't just a matter of corporate preference anymore. They are binding legal requirements, and they vary significantly from state to state.
On top of that, regulatory laws draw rigid boundaries across specific sectors. For example, healthcare is governed by HIPAA, focusing strictly on protected health information, or PHI. The financial sector relies on the GLBA for sector-specific finance data. Education uses FERPA to protect student records. Listen, these are not just industry buzzwords. They dictate exactly what sensitive information you absolutely cannot feed into an open AI prompt. Let's ground this with a real-world scenario using healthcare as our example. If your organization operates in the healthcare sector, you're bound by HIPAA. Under this law, any third-party entity, and yes, that specifically includes the generative AI tools you're interacting with, that processes protected health information must be officially designated as a HIPAA-compliant business associate. They are legally bound to follow strict disclosure rules. If the AI tool doesn't have this official designation, feeding it PHI isn't just risky, it's a severe legal violation.
And finally, Part 4, Aligning AI with Business Goals. This is our ultimate objective. With all this focus on compliance, laws, and restrictions, it is so easy to view governance merely as a roadblock to your productivity. But governance isn't a roadblock at all. It ensures our organizational AI use actually drives true business value.
Working effectively within this framework guarantees our organization remains fully compliant, protecting our reputation. We ensure consistent output, meaning the AI tools provide reliable, high-quality results without wasting money on excess tokens. Most importantly, we ensure every single prompt aligns seamlessly with our broader business objectives. Bottom line, governance makes your work incredibly safe and highly effective.
As we wrap up Module 8 and get ready to move into Module 9, I want to leave you with a provocative question to really consider. How will you ensure your very next prompt strictly aligns with our enterprise governance framework? It's time to take this macro-level corporate compliance perspective and apply it directly to your next micro-level prompt. Think strategically, protect that sensitive information, and let's keep building our enterprise AI literacy. See you in the next module.